Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of class 5 computer, and today we are going to learn our ongoing lesson, that is designing with Tinkercad. So in first two lessons we were quite theoretical, like how to do all those things and all that. So in this video we are going to learn it practically. So first thing that we need is a browser. So we have a Microsoft Edge here, Google Chrome here, many more browsers are there, but I prefer Microsoft Edge here. So first thing that we have to do is we have to enter the website. What is the website? I have already informed you, I have told you, that is tinkercad.com. www.tinkercad.com is the website that we are going to use for the designing purpose. Okay, so when we enter that www.tinkercad.com, this kind of a page will appear. Okay, this kind of a page will appear where, just let me do one more setting, we'll hide that taskbar. Yeah, so taskbar has been hidden. So this kind of a window will appear, and there you will get a lot of options, some designs that has been printed using 3D printer. One building is been printed, a name text is been printed, and some rainbow is been made, a car is been made. At the top we have gallery option, blog option, learn option, teach option, search option, sign in option, join option. Okay, so if you don't know, this is your book that I hope you all have got it. Okay, so this is lesson number 33, that is Tinkercad, that you can see over here. So this is about your lesson. Now let's get started. As I told you, first you have to click on join now, because if you don't have any account of this, you need to create your account first, and for that you need to have your own email ID. You can use email IDs of your parents, like your mother, your father, or whatever the email ID that you have entered in your phone, that you can use it. So create personal account, and here you can use your Gmail ID and all that. Okay, but right now I have account over here, so I will just enter my own details so I can log in here. So I will type my own email ID here. Okay, @gmail.com. okay, so I'll enter my password, and when I log in, you will get the home page of your Tinkercad window. So this is the home page. It's still loading. Okay, it's still loading. It is the home page of your Tinkercad. Here you can see the same option like a gallery, blog, learn, teach, search, then my profile option and my recent design. These are the designs that I have already created or done using this Tinkercad. You can see here a bracelet, a key, here a ring, a bangle, here a house, a glowing egg I had made, a lamp I had made, a spring I had made. Okay, cartoon I had made. So all, then dice I have made, one flower I have made. So this kind of structure I have already made in using this Tinkercad. Now what we are going to do, so whenever we will log in, we have to take this option, that is create new design, and once you click on create new design, you will get the main page where you are going to work for a very long time. Okay, so this is the page, or this is the area where you will be working. Now this is the green, okay, this is bluish grid line wala area, this is called workplace. Name is shown over there, that is work plane. Got it? Now here you can see this is the cube views. Here you can see top view, here front view, here right view, left view, back view. So all these views are, this is the bottom view. So it shows how your work plane is going to look. Or if by using simply a right mouse button, you can rotate your work plane around, or you can change the view of your work plane using right mouse button. Right means this finger wala button you can use. Below that top view cube, we have some options like a home view, means if you press this one, you will get the home view of your work plane, and using control and scroll bar you can make it a small or bigger also. Then we have another button that is fit all in, means the perfect fit all in, जितना स्क्रीन है उतना बड़ा वर्क प्लेन हो जाएगा. Then zoom in, if you want to take a closer look of your work plane, you can use a zoom in option or zoom out option, and switch to flat view, means you will get simple plane like structure using this button. So we will go to home view. Okay, there you can see this work plane. We will go a little bit closer, then we are zooming out again, and this is our work plane. Now here to the upside of that top view corner we have a toolbar. So first toolbar, there is option of a copy. For that we have a shortcut also, that is Ctrl plus C. Then we have a paste option, that is Ctrl plus V option. Then we have a duplicate option, then delete option, undo and redo. If you go to the next line of the same, you have a show hide option, where you can show all whatever the objects that you have made. Then we have group option, then we have this ungroup option, then align option and mirror option. Then import means if you have already made designs in other file, that you can import here. Export means you can send your designs to take print. You can take print from here, or send to means you can send those designs to someone else. Below that we have some basic shapes. Okay, so here you can see box, these are hollow, cylinder is also hollow, this is the box, cylinder, sphere, scribble, roof, cone, round roof. If you want to add some text, that text here, wedge, pyramid, half sphere, polygon, paraboloid, then torus is there, tube is there, heart is there, star is there, stars. So lot of ring is there, diamond is there, dice is there. Okay, so many options are there, you can choose any of them. If you will go to the next option, that is text and number, here you can see a text means a manual text you can add, or all those alphabets you can select from A to Z and you can add simply those numbers also. And some characters are also there, like hand is there, peace hand is there, specs are there, shades are there, ice cream cone, eggs, different kinds of characters are already been installed over there. Some connectors are there which are used to connect your two objects together. So these are the shapes that you can add. Now how to add those shapes on your work plane? So what we'll do, we'll just click on a basic shape and just click on a box, and we will come. You can see I am just dragging a mouse, and here you can see one box has also come with my mouse pointer. So I'll just click once and the same box will be added over there, and automatically few options are also there. Can you see those options? So these you can see from any view, top view, bottom view, or from wherever you want to see. So to rotate this, or to move, align or scale this, what we will do, we will just click on that box, and now you can see different options are there. As we discussed, this is the triangle. Can you see this triangle area which is used? Now I'll click on that triangle, and now you can see that box has gone upside from the work plane, and now I'll again take it back, and now it has come on the base of our work plane. If we'll click again, here you can see white angles are there and black angles are there, white handles and black handles. So if we'll hold these white handles and move, it will move to that particular angle only, or this black will move towards the same. But while dragging, if we press a shift key, automatically it will be increasing, its size will increase in all those sides. Okay, and if I'll move, I'll just release that shift key, and now I'll just press it and hold it. So एक ही साइड में वो बढ़ रहा है, बट अगर उसी समय में शिफ्ट दबा के उसको खींचूंगा तो इट विल ग्रो इन ऑल द साइज. अगर प्रोपोर्शन में उसको बढ़ाना है तो यूज शिफ्ट की, अगर किसी एक ही एरिया में उसको बढ़ाना है तो वी कैन सिंपली यूज दिस ऑप्शंस. और now here you can see from all those angles, here this white area, just white से क्या होगा, उसका हाइट बढ़ेगा. कैन यू सी दिस? इसका width भी, जो चौड़ाई है, that width also will increase. Now we will again go to those black and make it rectangle. Okay, so this is the simple task that we have done. We have added one object to our what we say design, and that design we are preparing from here. Now one interesting thing I would like to tell you, can you see here Frantic Wasavluff? This is the name of your design, and randomly means Tinkercad gives you random names. Okay, it gives you random names, तो कुछ भी नाम आ जाएगा, तो don't get panic और ऐसा मत बोलो कि हाँ वहाँ पे क्या है, वो क्या है, वो what is that and all those. Okay, so that is just a simple what we say name of your design, and you can change that design by simply clicking on that. उस पे सिर्फ क्लिक करो and just type a name, and automatically the name will be saved. Now the next point that we had learned, that is work plane. Now this is one work plane on which we are working, but we can add multiple work planes also. So here to the right side of our window we have one more work plane. We'll click on that and we'll just take it to our rectangle, उसके ऊपर लाके छोड़ेंगे, and now you can see we have another color work plane here. And now here like this, if I hold, you can see this is our base rectangle, base work plane, and उसके ऊपर क्या है हमारा, उसके ऊपर हमारा a rectangle है, and above that rectangle we have one more work plane, and this we will use to prepare a roof. And just simply by clicking a roof, we will bring one roof here, we will just drag it and we will resize it. तो उसको हम क्या करेंगे, बड़ा करेंगे. And now another point we had learned is the alignment. Okay, now here we will select this and उसको हम क्या करेंगे, बराबर proportion में, वो सीधा हुआ है नहीं हुआ है, देखो, just you can see from all those angles, you can see here. Now see here, so the same has been set. Now here you can see, हाँ थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा करेंगे ना तो ये समझ में आएगा. So downside, this area is our first work plane on which we had this rectangle. Then we have added this another work plane on which we have added this roof type structure. Okay, so this is the simple step to make our simple home. Now if you want to align those objects, just simply by using a shift key select both the objects. Okay, we will select both the objects and click align option. When you click align option, you can see different options are there. Okay, so few of them are black and few of them are gray. So gray means actually your alignment is like that, and black means by using that alignment you can change that alignment using those black handles. मतलब उस black handles को पकड़ के हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसका alignment check कर सकते हैं. But right now everything is set perfectly, so it is not giving you any hint or any option. So here this figure or this diagram shows, or this object shows how we had added two work planes. ओके, ऑन फर्स्ट वर्क प्लेन हमने रेक्टेंगल ऐड किया था, उसके ऊपर हमने दूसरा वर्क प्लेन ऐड किया, और उसके ऊपर हमने क्या किया, वी हैड एडेड रूफ, दैट इज दिस ग्रीन एरिया इज अवर रूफ. नाउ वी विल गो to next, we will click on a new design and we will learn the next topic that we had actually discussed, that is how to align object. We have seen mirroring and flipping. Mirroring and flipping we are going to learn. Before that, let it come. So once it will come, then we will discuss how, because of so here what we will do, we will take one box. बॉक्स मतलब स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर को हम लेंगे, वहां पे छोड़ेंगे, फिर उसको हम ये ब्लैक हैंडल पकड़ेंगे, उसको करेंगे हम थोड़ा सा बड़ा. So here you can check, okay, how it is looking by holding right mouse button. By holding right mouse button we can hold this. Okay, so this is our simple, what we say, simple rectangle that we have. Okay, now what we are going to add, we are going to add this round roof. We will select a round roof and we will just put it near our rectangle. तो इसको हम यहाँ पे rectangle के बाजू में छोड़ेंगे. So you can see this is right now it is not in particular line, but now it is in line. एक लाइन में दोनों है, but that is not, हमें क्या करना है, उस रूफ को इस तरह से लगाना है कि it should suit to that particular. So what we will do, we will rotate it. See here, जो rotation वाला एंगल है उस पे हम टच करते ही it is showing you in how much degree you have to or you want to rotate. So we will take here 90 degree and bang, it's perfect for our rectangular. Now here you can see वो थोड़ा सा नीचे गया है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उसको ऊपर उठाएंगे using arrow keys also. बट अगर सही पोजीशन में, सही व्यू में देखेंगे तो यूजिंग एरो कीज ऑल्सो यू कैन सेट इट. नाउ देख लो ये कहां पे आ गया. तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दैट ब्लैक मार्कर एंड बैंक, इट इज एट द बेस. नाउ सी हियर, ऑटोमेटिकली बैठ गया, तो उसको थोड़ा सा हम क्या करेंगे, क्लोज लेकर आएंगे. यस, इट हैज सेट. नाउ वो क्या हो गया, अब बैंग. नाउ देखो ऑटोमेटिकली वो क्या हो गया, उसमें ज्वाइन हो गया. सो वी वांट टू क्रिएट अ मिरर और अ फ्लिप इमेज ऑफ दैट, एंड फॉर दैट what we are going to do, we are going to just select that object and we have this option, duplicate option. Okay, or using control D option also we can make a duplicate of it, and हम क्या हो गया है, एक duplicate मिल गया है. See, this is the original one, this is the duplicate one. Now we will go to our toolbar here at the right corner and we can see here mirror option is there. We'll click on that mirror option. Now it will ask you how you have to mirror, किस आपको उल्टा करना है, उसको सीधा करना है, हॉरिजॉन्टली करना है, वर्टिकली करना है, बट वी वांट दिस इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. सो वी हैव सिलेक्टेड दैट. नाउ सी हियर, वो क्या हो गया, सेम का हम क्या हो गया, उल्टा कर दिए तो वो इसमें होगा. नाउ वी विल मूव इट टू अनदर एंड. सो हियर वी हैव डन टू ऑप्शंस, दैट इज flipping and mirroring option, and from top also you can see how those are aligned. Now if you will see, ये थोड़ा सा इधर आना चाहिए, ये भी थोड़ा सा इधर आना चाहिए. And now you can see all are arranged. So which option we had used, we had used this mirror option, and after that mirror option what we did, flip in that horizontal, मतलब उसको क्या किया हमने, horizontally flip कर दिया. So this was the option that we have learnt now. Now next option is grouping and ungrouping. Now see here, these three objects are different, but if you want to make it a one, so what we will do, we will select all those three objects, and can you see here group option, or we can simply press Ctrl plus G or group, and bang, all has become one. See, सब लोग रेड हो गए and it has become one single simple rectangle. Yes, but आपको ये पसंद नहीं आया. Now if you want to change that, आपको वो पुराना वाला स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए तो just select it again, and again another option is there, ungroup option, or we have a shortcut Ctrl Shift and G, press it, again आपका पुराना वाला रेक्टेंगल प्लस दो आपके राउंड रूट के साथ में वो आ जाएगा. Understood? हाँ. So next topic is, or next point is creating hollow object. Creating a hollow object. Now what we will do, we will save it. This is grouping group. We will rename it group roof. Yeah, we will also use some funny name. And now again we will take a new design. So here we will go and take new design, but remember, for this you need to have active internet connection on your computer or laptop. Without internet connection you cannot do anything, and apart from internet connection you need to have what we can say, a browser and email address also. These are the must thing that you should have. Now again what we are going to do, we are going to learn how to make a hollow object. Suppose if you want to make a plate, or if you want to make some dishes or something, for that what we have to do, और आपको एक छोटा सा बल्ब वगैरह बनाना है, कुछ अंडा वगैरह बनाना है, या फिर कुछ प्लेट्स वगैरह बनाने, सो दैट ऑप्शंस आर नॉट अवेलेबल, मीन्स डायरेक्टली प्लेट वगैरह ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं है, बट वी हैव अनदर ऑप्शन, एंड यूजिंग दैट वी कैन create those designs like that, like dish बना सकते हैं, प्लेट बना सकते हैं. तो वो कैसे करना है, तो उसके लिए एक नया ऑप्शन, वी हैव another option, or the very nice option that Tinkercad provides, that is hollow. Means when, suppose first we will take this pair and we will add it, okay, and using our shift key we will just make it a bigger, okay. So we have added a spare, but when we click on that spare, here below that toolbar we have two options, one is a solid and one is a hole option. Hole means that will be a hole, means that will have that will not have भरा हुआ नहीं होगा, वो खाली खाली वाला होगा, hole, okay. So that option we have. So using that option, how we are going to make a simple plate और एक छोटा सा बर्तन कैसे बनाएंगे, that we are going to learn. So we have added one spare here, okay. So using duplicate option we will make a duplicate of it, and उसको क्या करेंगे, हम थोड़ा सा बाजू में ले लेंगे. Now both are of same color, दोनों का same color, तो समझ में कैसे नहीं आएगा, तो when we'll click on that solid option you will get different colors. So I'll take here one pink color, I'll take, because I like pink color, so that's why we will take that. Now what we will do, अब इस दोनों को हमें एक साथ लाना है. So what we will do, using shift की हम इसको क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा सा छोटा करेंगे. ये पहले वाले से क्या करेंगे, इसको थोड़ा सा छोटा करेंगे, एंड उसको छोटा करने के बाद में थोड़ा सा हाइट में ऊपर उठाएंगे, एंड देन वी विल कंबाइन, उसके अंदर मिक्स करेंगे उसको. ओके, ये उसके अंदर गया क्या, हाँ ये उसके अंदर. नाउ फ्रॉम टॉप यू कैन सी ये उसके अंदर है बराबर, राइट. अगर इसको हमें थोड़ा सा नीचे लेना है तो हम थोड़ा सा नीचे भी ले सकते हैं, बट ज़्यादा नीचे लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो बाय दिस वी हैव इंसर्टेड दैट अ स्मॉल स्पेयर. व्हाट वी डिड, हमने क्या किया, एक स्पेयर ले लिया इधर से नीला वाला, उसको क्या किया, थोड़ा सा बड़ा किया. देन हमने उसी स्पेयर का डुप्लीकेट बना दिया. डुप्लीकेट को हमने कौन सा कलर दे दिया, पिंक कलर दे दिया, एंड उस पिंक कलर को हमने क्या किया, थोड़ा सा छोटा कर दिया और उसके अंदर मिक्स कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, we will select that pink sphere again, and here we will click hole option. नाउ यू कैन सी, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि वो अपने पुराने वाले स्पेयर के अंदर ये इस वाला स्पेयर क्या हो गया, जम गया है. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट बोथ द स्पेयर्स, ओके, एंड सिंपली यूज दिस ग्रुप ऑप्शन. विच ऑप्शन, ग्रुप ऑप्शन. एंड डैन टैन बैंग, देखो ये बन गया हमारा एक छोटा सा अच्छा वाला एक कप या फिर चाय पीने का कप बन गया. इसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, दूसरा एक आप चाहे तो इसमें क्या करेंगे, हम एक रिंग ले लेंगे, टॉरस ले लेंगे. इस टॉरस को हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे ड्रैग करके ने इसको थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देते हैं. बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं चाहिए हमें. इसे क्या करेंगे, हम रोटेट करेंगे. रोटेट इस दिशा में चाहिए हमें, हाँ ठीक है, 90 में हो गया. और इसे इस तरह से भी रोटेट करेंगे 90 में, हाँ तो इसको 90 करना था. तो ये हो गया, उस दिशा में आ गया. नाउ हम क्या करेंगे, इसको इसके पास लेकर आएंगे. नाउ सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, सी हियर. नाउ इसको इसके पास लेकर आएंगे. इसको हम देंगे कलर थोड़ा सा वही येलो वाला दे देंगे. अब ये बहुत ही नीचे है तो हम इसको ले लेंगे थोड़ा सा ऊपर और हम करेंगे इसको उसके अंदर ज्वाइन. हाँ तो ये हो गया उसमें ज्वाइन. ना अब हम क्या करना है, अब हमें सिंपली इन दोनों को क्या करेंगे, हम ज्वाइन और ग्रुप कर लेंगे. एंड बैंग, यू कैन सी हमारा ये चाय का कप तैयार हो गया. और सिंपली हम इसको एक्सपोर्ट करके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसका 3D प्रिंटर से प्रिंट ले सकते हैं और उसके अंदर चाय भी पी सकते हैं. एंड इट इज फॉर ट्रू. अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज grouping. Now hiding an object. Now what we will do, we will ungroup again this, we will ungroup these two things we have ungrouped. Now हमें क्या करना है, ये डंडा नहीं चाहिए. किसी ने बोला कि डंडा इधर की साइड से अंदर भी दिख रहा है तो डंडा नहीं चाहिए. So what we will do, we will just click on that डंडा and can you see this option, यहाँ पे when we'll click on that, यहाँ पे एक बल्ब आ जाता है. And when we'll click that bulb, that डंडा will be गायब. नाउ बाद में आपको पता चला है कि नहीं हमें तो डंडा ऐड करना था. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल अगेन हियर क्लिक ऑन शो ऑल ऑप्शन एंड इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली विल बी शोन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. सो दिस इज हाउ टू हाइड एंड हाउ टू शो ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन Tinkercad. I hope this was the nice one. So we will type here a name cup. कप वाला हो गया. तो अब तक हमने जो जो पढ़ा, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. सो हमने अब तक क्या क्या पढ़ा, हमने हाउ टू लॉग इन, how to create account, how to log in, then what is the tool, components of Tinkercad window, how to add object on Tinkercad, how to align those, उसको बड़ा कैसे करें, छोटा कैसे करें, उसके ऊपर वर्क प्लेन कैसे ऐड करें, वर्क प्लेन के ऊपर रूप कैसे ऐड करें, फिर how to flip or mirror, then how to group, ungroup that we had learnt, then how to hide and show also we have learnt. So by this way we have finished our lesson. This lesson we have finished. I hope you have enjoyed as much as I did. So take care everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.